How to fix forgotten WhatsApp secret code. Change secret code in WhatsApp. Now if you forgot your secret code on WhatsApp, there is a way on how you can recover it. Now first things first, let's go ahead and open up the WhatsApp application. And what's inside, you simply want to click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. From here, you simply want to click on settings. Now the steps are similar for both iPhone and Android, so you can just go ahead and follow along. Once inside, you then want to click on the privacy button. From here, you simply want to scroll down and you can then go ahead and see an option called lock chat. Go ahead and click on unlock and clear locked chats, and you want to click on the unlock and clear. From there, it will then go ahead and unlock or lock chats on our WhatsApp. Right after, you simply want to go ahead and put the lock chat on lock once more. So in my case, it's inside chats right here, and it's this specific person. Right after locking your chat, you simply want to head over to the lock chat section. Once inside the lock chat section, you can just go ahead and click on the three dots once more, click on the chat lock settings, and once inside, we can now go ahead and set up our new secret code. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.